This video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Adblock Web. So the developers of this extension indicate that it will help you to block advertisements, to block all ads that you may see while surfing the internet or watching some videos. But the reality is that this Adblock Web extension actually operates as adware. Instead of blocking ads, it shows its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So if this Adblock Web was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately. This is how you can do it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove any of such extensions if you find them. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I do recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.